right now we're at Westerner Days in the zipper. Okay, now we're moving.
Bye. Actually, no, you should look at what we're looking at. It looks like we're about to die. Oh, look at that panorama. Oh my gosh, I can see all these people. Hi.
Oh my gosh. I'm terrified.
Okay.
Okay, wish us luck. We're starting to move now, so we're not moving yet. Let's get it swinging.
No, don't swing. No, get out of the family.
I'm sorry.
I forgot about how sketchy this was.
Okay, goodbye everybody. Peace out.
Oh, guys,
Right now, it's pouring and we're on the zipper. It's pouring on us. We're like the
Wait, oh my God, my bag is down
we are soaked and it's like pouring on us. Oh my gosh, we're going out. Oh my gosh. I'm still recording and my bag! My poor bag! It's pouring!
My wallet!
Your phone!
My wallet! Money is plastic, I know, but like, oh, it's...
I'm still vlogging! We are soaked!
Selfie?
No, we're vlogging!
Oh, okay, go.
I'm not taking a selfie!
Here, let's walk.
Oh wait, but now it's this way.
Hey! Welcome to our extended vlog.
We are in the Ferris wheel.
At Westerner Days. This is really uneven. We might die, but come to my funeral. Bring
We
room
didn't die in
bugs.
the zipper if you saw that
Yeah,
earlier.
the zipper. That was
And
pretty
we're not
intense.
wet anymore. We're
Yeah,
dry.
Like, we're
There's
Gucci.
some more people we know back there. Look at, oh, we're moving. I don't want to drop my phone.
Let's do a house tour.
All right, let's do a nice house tour. Okay, we've got.
Okay, so this is our house. Our house is amazing. This is my feet.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, synchronized swimmer. Synchronized swimmer who?
Okay. Well, we've got the golden hour glow, says Ava. She calls it the golden hour. I guess that makes sense. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, I almost dropped my phone right off the edge.
Bring it over here.
Okay, so we're just gonna say goodbye. We might wrap it up later when we die again on the zipper.
Yeah, we're also going on the giant circle thing.
We're doing on the fireball thingy.
Save our souls.
Okay, catch you later.